G'day everyone, Barron again at Melbourne Electric Bicycles and Perth Electric Bike Centre to talk to you today about another one of our how-to series. Today, how to pump up a tyre with a Dunlop valve, sometimes referred to as a Woods valve or an English valve. It's a very commonly used European valve, and we have them mostly on Gazelle e-bikes, some Kalkoff bikes, Sinus bikes, a lot of the European brands. The beauty about the Dunlop valve is that all you need to do is push air in. It's as simple as that. You don't need to screw anything out or undo anything. You just need to remove the cap and away you go. Today we're going to show you how to do it with a hand pump, and we're going to do it on this wheel here so that it's easy to see. You just remove the black cap in this case. Sometimes they're clear, and these caps, all they're really for is to keep dust out. A lot of people think they're there to keep the air in. That's not the case, just to keep dust out. So just take it off. Take your pump. We're using a Joe Blow sports pump. We've just taken it from the workshop at the back. And if you have a look at this pump, and they're terrific ones to have at home, you've got two sides. You've got one that's suitable for a Schrader or a car valve, and the other one that suits a Presta or a Dunlop valve, a big hole and a small hole. To do this wheel or this tube, we're going to use the small one. And all we do is we've taken the cap off, we put the pump over it, and we push the lever away, and that's locked into place. And then all we do is decide just how much we want to pump it up to, and away we go. We pump up to the desired level, and it does vary, so I'm not even going to mention a figure. You need to look at the specific tube that you've got. You just pump, and then remove the pump from the tyre. Simple as that. And it's completely pumped up. And I know it's pumped up to the right amount because I had a pump with a gauge on it. Once that's done, replace the cap. Again, it's not essential, but it's nice to do it. Replace the cap and you're all good to go. So that's how you pump up a Dunlop valve. Barron from Melbourne Electric Bicycles and Perth Electric Bike Centre for fun, fitness and freedom.